Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start your day right with delicious eggs. In this video, I will show you how to make eggs for breakfast. We'll begin with scrambled eggs, a quick and easy option. First, whisk 2 or 3 large eggs in a bowl. Then, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Pour in the eggs and let them set for about 30 seconds before gently pushing the cooked edges to the center. This creates those lovely, soft curds everyone enjoys. Next up, let's master the classic fried egg. For a perfect fried egg, heat 1 tablespoon of butter or oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Carefully crack 1 or 2 eggs directly into the pan, ensuring the yolks remain intact. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes if you prefer a runny yolk, or a bit longer for a firmer one. A sprinkle of salt and pepper, and they're ready to enjoy. Now, let's talk about boiled eggs, a versatile and healthy choice. Place your eggs in a saucepan and cover them with about 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil over high heat. For soft-boiled eggs, reduce the heat to low and simmer for 6 minutes. If you prefer hard-boiled eggs, simmer them for 10 to 12 minutes. Once done, cool them quickly in an ice bath for easy peeling. Finally, let's tackle poached eggs, a truly elegant breakfast option. First, bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer and add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. This helps the egg hold its shape. Carefully crack an egg into a small bowl, then gently slide it into the simmering water. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes for a perfectly runny yolk. Use a slotted spoon to remove it and serve immediately on toast or with your favorite sides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.